Hey everybody.
Hi.
So we are off today
Yep.
on a fun little adventure.
Yep.
We're going to meet up with somebody.
Yep. Special people. Special.
It'll be a surprise of who it is.
Yep.
But I think most of you are going to know who it is.
Yep.
But we're going to go have fun, hang out with them for the day, and see where the day leads us.
So stick around.
So with that, let's go load up in Natasha and hit the road.
Let's go. Come on, kids.
Let's do it. Oh, and we have garbage on the back of the truck. We got to make a pit stop.
Let's stop.
Hi.
Hi.
It's hot in here. That's why we had the doors open to cool this thing off.
Da.
All right, here we go. We're off to go meet a couple of folks. But it's a surprise, so stay tuned. But first, we got to get rid of this trash. And when I get there, we'll open up Joanne's door.
Oh, no you didn't. Stick around.
All right, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. That's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video.
All right, guys, here we are on Whiskey Row in downtown Prescott.
Come to me.
And as we said, we're going to meet up with some friends, and you might know them.
Look
And here they are.
What's up?
Dylan and Jason. And Cyrus was here a second ago.
He's already at the Corvette.
He's already looking at the cars.
As he should be.
That's right. Yeah.
So we're going to hang here for a few hours, look at some Corvettes. We're going to show them to you guys.
We're gonna buy a few.
And we're going to watch Jason and Joe and Dylan kind of drool over these cars.
Oh man.
I want to drive one fast.
Take that one right over there.
Sounds
Look at the
perfect.
opalescent one. Look at the color.
All right. We'll be back, but
Oops, sorry.
I know you guys haven't seen them in a week or two, or a minute as they say.
Yeah.
It's been like a month
Yeah.
or
But
more.
here they are. We're going to have fun and spend the day with them. So
We're live and we're well. Good to see you.
doing it great. Oh, and there's Cyrus. Hey, Cyrus.
Look at that opalescent one.
I have to take a picture for you.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, Joe, I think 64?
But you're wrong.
No, I think I'm right.
Oh, I see.
I was off 1 year, 65.
Oh, cool. Good for you.
Lost my wife already.
All right, no, that's it.
Yeah, she's over there.
Look at that opalescent one. Look at the pearlescent.
Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful.
I want to go see that with the yellow. Oh.
Hi, ladies. Love the outfits.
Thank you. At the Elks Opera House.
Ah, the Opera House. a 56.
I don't like that. We were in that neighborhood.
What's off a year? 57.
So I had to break into Jeff and JoJo's channel here and just get a little bit of Jason B-roll here for you now. Well, Jeff, thank you for letting me borrow your camera for a minute. I just had to get that out of me.
Don't.
Oh, I'm sure there'll be more today.
There could be. There could be.
I just can't get over the dash.
That they did back then.
Like, I know. Mine still had that in there.
Picture that in there.
I almost like don't want to get close to it. I'll fall.
Oh my God! You're watching it right here, just gouges.
Look.
Just be right down.
Oh man!
That's the Napa interior.
Absolutely incredible.
I love that interior.
The whole thing in red, the black.
Yeah, I like the wheels. Is this one yours?
Yes, because he's going to give it to me. He's getting it for me. I love him for that.
I want the pleasure of opening it. Sorry. Go ahead. No, that's fine. I'm just showing it. Open it all the way. So you can get in and not scrape.
Yeah, don't scrape nothing.
They call that the Napa on Napa color, right?
Buddy. Oh my goodness.
Look at your face.
I'm a happy camper right now, man. Holy. Wow. I mean, how comfortable. It really just, you feel like you're in a cockpit. Keeps talking. I want her to hear that. Judy, stop wasting your time, girl. Look at, you got it just, the ergonomics of this is unreal.
That's very pretty. And you don't see this color.
At all.
That's why I like the color.
Right?
All right, everybody. What is this on the outside of this wheel? Yes, it's a bead lock. And you're probably asking why would they have that on this car? Let me pan back and you'll see why. Yep, this car is set up for the drag strip. Speed shifter, big handbrake, custom buckets made, nitrous, and to top it all off, twin turbo. Yeah, I'm thinking this thing does some horsepower. Let's go ask somebody that may know. How much horsepower out of that last one?
The black one, just a little under 2,000.
A little under 2,000. So that'll get up and go a little bit. There you go, Cyrus.
You guys want to get in before I leave? All right, gotta get. I'm going to be here for another hour. I can't get my mouth shut. That's all right. That's it. That's part 5. Okay, you're ready to come out?
All right, Cyrus.
Who's next?
You ready, JoJo? Okay.
Watch your head coming out. You're on.
Wow, thank you so much.
All right, everybody. We're saying our final farewells
Indeed.
to our not so perfect life. Say goodbye, everybody.
All right.
Bye.
And as we always say in ours, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Well, before, okay? When you're in Arizona, you should do yourself a favor and go to Prescott. Check it out. Check out the square. It's a fun place.
Yeah, we've had a great time. And we saw a few great cars.
Oh boy.
We did.
We had a nice time today.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Thanks.
Well,
All right.
there you have it.
That was a heck of a day,
It
wasn't
was
it?
wonderful. It was so much fun. It was so fun seeing our old friends,
Yes.
new old friends,
New old friends.
or old new friends.
Delyn and Jason
and
Silas.
Silas.
We
not
made a mistake by
Cyrus.
saying Cyrus.
No, we didn't.
I
We
did.
Yep.
I did. So we apologize to you again for saying your name wrong, or I do.
And we hope you enjoyed all of my favorite cars in the world.
Yeah, she bought, well, in her mind, she bought just about 17 or 18 of them.
Well, you might be exaggerating. Maybe like 11.
Oh, okay. Okay. But before we go, we want to remind you of the contest that we're running for the 2 cinch bikes that were given away on October 30th. And in addition to that, we also want to remind you that there's a QR code right above here to get to the form to enter your answer, I guess, for the clues that you saw throughout this video. Right?
Right, the little ding ding.
Yeah.
No, that wasn't a ding ding. That was a tring tring.
Yeah, the little bike thing, and then the image pops up.
Yep.
Yeah, those
Yep.
kind of things.
Those things.
So don't forget to participate in the contest and win those 2 cinch bikes.
Because they're fun.
Yeah,
Gotta
those
have one.
e-bikes are awesome. So before we go, though, we do want to say
Sorry, I have a bug on my back.
it's better than a bug up your head.
You are
Just
not. Quack
Just
quack.
saying.
Which I usually do.
Really.
Okay, you're leaving this in.
Okay.
Go on.
Now, anyway, we have to make a
Statement.
statement.
Complaint?
Let's call it a statement. I like that.
It's a statement.
We discovered that, well, I shouldn't say we discovered. We kind of knew this, but it got reaffirmed today.
Yes.
We
Confirmed.
have a flag, and I'll show it to you here, that we fly in the back of our rig, along
We have
with
several. Yeah.
one that supports the police, the thin blue line, so we show our support for police.
And of course, our regular.
Yeah, in our regular American flag.
Right.
And you all know we support the troops, the first responders, the police. We stand behind them.
Humbly.
However,
However,
we were scolded today that we have
Again.
to take down our Thin Blue Line flag as well as the Don't Tread on Me flag.
Because it was what?
They called it political.
Political.
I'm like, you mean supporting the police is political?
They said yes.
Apparently that's political now.
Right.
Now I know some people on the far left will say, yes, that's political.
But it's not.
Even though we're not allowed to say that BLM are completely racist and corrupt.
Correct. But on a different note.
But that's hypocrisy.
Right. But the reality is that we need police, and we all do know that.
Yep.
Right? We didn't, but some of us did, try to get rid of them, and guess what happened? Mayhem! So they've always been our protectors, just like all of the military and the first responders. So we are always grateful, as everybody should be.
We are. So our little beef is, this Don't Tread on Me flag too. That they're calling that political.
Battling. The reality is that we are going to sadly take it down, much to our dismay, and we feel like that's an infringement on our rights.
Yes.
And on how we feel and the pride that we feel for our country and everything that it stands for.
That's right. And we want to hear from you guys.
Yeah.
Do you agree with us, or are we all full of potatoes? Maybe it is. Maybe it is political, and we are stirring up a pot, and we shouldn't stir it up.
Because he stirs up he's got a spoon the size of his whole rig.
Yeah. So if we're stirring the pot, please set us straight. If you agree with us that this is not a political flag, let us know, because I'd like to say, we were really bothered by that. And, Thousand Trails, they said it's a corporate policy. And I understand that maybe they don't want to have people putting up one flag for one side, one flag for the other side, so they don't have political arguments in the park. And I get that. I do understand that. They just try to stay neutral, like Switzerland. But the way they did it was definitely not for those reasons.
Right.
They were just like, you can't do that here. And, well, this particular park, they were kind of Nazis about a lot of things.
Yeah. When we call them the flag Nazis today.
Yes, exactly.
Nazi brigade.
So again, enough about that. Leave a comment below. Is this flag actually a political flag, or is it for all Americans to say, don't stomp on our Bill of Rights, our Constitution?
Or rights to do whatever we want to do.
That's right.
Why we live here.
We don't want to be controlled. We want freedom. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. Why do you always do that in my face? What if I did that?
Go ahead. I'll do it.
All right. Thanks for tuning in. There we go. We appreciate you. Thanks, and make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.
Bye.